Alright, so you ever wondered how hard it is to wrap your car? Or if Amazon wrap is any good at all? Well, today we're going to find out. So I got this wrap from Amazon. It was $80. It's just plain gloss black wrap, and it's from 3M. So I got some quality wrap. I didn't get some crazy like nasty wrap that's gonna last you like 2 days. This lasts apparently 3 years. So we're gonna find out how hard it is to wrap the car, because we're just gonna do the roof for now, and then later on we'll do a full color change. But leave down in the comments what kind of color you guys want to see on the BRZ. Any color, like literally just write down any color you think would look cool with the BRZ, and your comment might win. So leave it down below. All right, so this is why I'm doing the roof by itself. You see this clear coat? Yeah, it's bad. It's bad clear. Now I already started sanding it down a little bit, but like the whole car on the roof is disgusting. I don't know what happened, but over the years it started getting really bad. So we're gonna wrap this whole roof, and we're gonna wrap that, which has a lot of curved edges. For a first time wrapper, this is gonna be challenging, but you know, we're gonna get to it. Alright, so it's dry right now for the most part. We still got to get some of the edges out. Like right here, you could see it catches a little bit with your nail, but like when you rub your hand around it, it's soft, but it still catches. So we got to do a little bit on the edges over here. On this side right here, it catches as well. Like for example, this, I didn't see this until I dried off the whole car. So we got to do this side right here. There's a little pit as well, and in this area down here. So after that, we should be good. And then we could actually put the wrap on the car, and we should be done. So hopefully we can knock this out pretty quick with no like imperfections or anything, you know. As soon as I take off the antenna, like literally just to put the wrap on, see, I had to tape it up now, it starts freaking raining. If something doesn't go wrong in my video, it's not my video. So now I gotta wait, but luckily 2K just came out, so let's go put some people on a poster. All right, so finally stopped raining. Now it's time to actually wrap this roof. It's all dried out. I actually put primer on the spots that were like bare, because I just didn't like it being bare, so I put some primer on it. Now the antenna is gone, and it's time to wrap, boys. All right, so here are handy dandy tools that we need. We got the wrap in one hand, and then in the other hand we have this. This is like the little squeegee that you use to, you know, flatten out the actual wrap on your surface that you're wrapping. And then we have some blades in here. I need to find the actual like little blade that it came with. And then it comes with like a wrap cutter, which is this little thing right here. It literally just like slides over the wrap and cuts it. And then you have this little tool that has two different ends, see? And these are the ones that you use to actually put the wrap in between like the crevices of things, you know, so like you could tuck it in there. So yeah, we got everything we need, baby. So this is 5x5, and I have more than enough. Like I have enough to probably cut and make literally a banner, but I already have wrap for that, so I don't need to do that. But if you needed to, you can, because like look, this is where it actually ends. Like see, you have a couple inches after that, too much on the side, and then you got way too much in the front, see? So let's get to cutting. So it's been a couple days because of the rain, but we are finished. Okay, the antenna, I tried to wrap the antenna with one piece. Bro, it is literally like impossible. Okay, it's not impossible, but it's super hard for a first time rapper like myself, and probably like you. Unless, you know, you could do it, then all power to you, but it's super hard for some reason. I mean, it was just me by myself, and I didn't have the proper tools to try to actually do it.
but I tried to wrap it in 2 pieces and it looks okay. I'll probably redo it some other time because I don't like how the way it turned out, but this is the finished product, boys. So there it is, and it's all its glory. It is amazing. It came out amazing for my first time. This, I still need to buy the actual strip for this because my car actually never came with it. So a weather strip goes there, just like on the other side. But so far, everything looks really good. So right here, you have like this little barrier. If you want to tuck it in there, that'll be perfect. But I couldn't do it, and I accidentally actually cut the actual weather strip that's on the window. So don't be like me. Anyways, other than that, it came out amazing. Look at that. First time, boys. If I could do it, you could do it. Now, the next step is the whole car. Nah, I mean, yo, we gotta wrap this car something cool, like something different. But look at the overview, right? With the wrap on, bro, it looks like it's almost paint matched. Remember, these side skirts aren't painted. They're literally black, but it matches the car so well. Yeah, and we gotta do something about this front bumper being all freaking crusty and dusty, and these headlights, but that's for another video. Anyway, that's gonna be all for this video. Hope you guys liked and enjoyed. Please leave a comment down below what color we should wrap the car in the future, and if you're gonna be wrapping your car, you're gonna be using this video as well, because we got to get ready for Gatlinburg. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out, and remember, always make it happen no matter what.